Hi guys, today I'll show you how to create custom upgrades. This is an update from my last video that it used the HLDS update tool, but this is updated for Steam Pipe now. So what you do is you get your TFT server up, and you got your TFT server here, blah blah blah, and all this, yeah. But this will not work if you open up, like, go to open file location. What the hell? Don't know what that was. Okay, and you get Steam apps, common, TF2. You get, like, it won't work if you go through this way. I mean, it will a little bit, but barely any of the upgrades work. Only a few of them. But this only works on servers, like dedicated servers. So you go to TF, and you go to custom, and you will have to create a folder called My Custom Stuff. If you do not know how to do this, I'd suggest going to a different video showing how to do it first. But basically, you create a folder, and you can read this too. Here, read this. And you then create a folder called scripts, and then you create a folder called items. And the reason we're doing this is because we're basically recreating this path here called scripts, items, and then there. But you don't try and drag it into the items there. So you go to custom, my scripts, blah blah blah, items, and then there will be nothing in this folder. What you're going to need to do is download a copy of this script. I've got two of them. One makes more lag than the other one, but the one that makes more lag is way cooler. So this one is edited. It is edited a lot, and this one's the super one that creates a lot of lag. This one does not create as much lag, but basically what this does, 1 refers to 100%. So if you write, like, if you did, like, you know, like 0.1 represents 0.10%, basically, so on and so forth. So it's straightforward from there. You can change the increments of how far it upgrades and the cap. This is a cap of 500% and increments of 1. I'm not really sure, but I don't know. I wouldn't edit it. I've gotten these files down pretty well. I'd leave them as is. But if you really want to, the things you need to watch out for is I would not change fire speed, melee attack rate bonus below -0.7. I wouldn't change it below there. And also fire rate bonuses or melee, anything has to be negative. So this is the cap doesn't really matter for this, and also don't try and change the cost. It doesn't work. I'm not sure quite what quality is, but I'd turn it up to 3. I don't know. I don't know. I'm not really quite sure what it means. And then let's see, what else should you watch out for? Everything in this is upgraded. I'm telling, like, every little thing, even all the attributes, like player upgrades. Damage taken from fire reduced, blah blah blah. But I just leave it as this is. It's pretty cool. So you're gonna drag it. So I told you I'd do that. And then so let's test it out. Open up Steam. Library. Where's TF2? Ignore what I'm doing right now. This is only because I'm filming. Screenshot shit. It's only because I'm doing this. Just ignore what I'm doing right now. Blah blah blah. Oh wait, 1 second. I gotta put up the server. Forgot about that. If anybody wants to join the server, I put it up under MvM cheats usually, and I got a pretty big, yeah, not really that big, but I'm trying to get a bigger user base. Problems is it's only 6 people per map, so. So, how are you doing today? There we go. Okay, continue, blah, and let's pick soldier.
Get to an upgrade station, quickly.
Ignore these are my skins. I have a lot of skins. Spaz 12, rocket launcher, aperture rocket launcher, a shovel. So what you're gonna need to do is type in currency give currency underscore give, and then just like a huge number. It doesn't matter what. I'm sorry. First, you'll need to turn on SV cheats. So SV underscore cheats. There we go. Okay, and then you're gonna hit currency give a lot of money. Now you get lots of money. Okay, and I'd recommend upgrading to the full, because otherwise you can't upgrade it. Just upgrade a lot of crap. Money. Blast. Jump high, crit resistance, health regen, bullet resistance. Okay, want to see something cool? Boom! And then ready, boom! Woohoo! Whee! Woo! And that did not work. Okay, I think I forgot to upgrade firing speed. As you can see, this is flipping amazing. I forgot to upgrade firing speed. You have so much ammo, it's ridiculous. This is the super duper lag creating script that I'm using right now. I forgot to put in the normal script. I usually use the normal script when I'm posting for servers. Amazing, right? And also you gain health when you take damage. Did you see how fast that reload speed was? I was at 0 and then now I'm at 200. Watch this. Alright, now I'm gonna be at full ammo in a second. Oh no, I guess I know why, because the clip size was so big that it's actually not showing up. That's why. Alright, let me give you some few useful commands while you're playing MvM. I'm just gonna talk while I'm showing you other classes. I will be doing this. So one you might want to is cool is add con 11. Gives you full crits all the time. But I think it already does a max bait. I think it does like 250,000 damage per hit without crits. So another class you might want to check out is Demo Man. And then I forgot to show you guys one more class. One sec, let me just upgrade this, and not one more class, I mean one command that is really, really cool. And it involves a lot of sentries. Just don't stay on. Don't exit out of the video yet, please. Please don't. Okay, good. And refill some ammo. Yeah, I'm sorry about this. I wish I could make it upgrade faster. There. Alright, let's check this out. Wow, that's a lot of grenades, and that's lagging. I'm on land and it's lagging. If you want to look at my this thing out of range value, all this crap is because of this. Oh, my computer gets hot too. You could literally use the stick bomb launcher just because of all the explosions. This is so cool. So that's cool and everything. So the command I was talking about earlier is this. It's not coming up. Shit. 1 second. It's like ENT create underscore G. Oh, actually, I think I already have it bound. Yeah. Oh, it's bound to a dispenser right now. So basically, I have no idea if you could tell me how to set this for a level 3 or set it for red, that'd be great. But look, I can make as many dispensers as I want, and they actually work as dispensers. Dispensing. And I can blow them up too. So that's cool. The command is ent create object sentry gun. Ah, fuck. 1 second. Stay right there. I'm just gonna pause the video. Okay, I'm back. So what the command is this. It says bind, then quotes z quotes, end quotes, and then another pair of quotes. ent underscore create space object underscore teleporter or sentry gun, whatever, depending on what you want to do, in quotes. You don't have to do the bind and everything, but I found it's a lot easier. Sentry gun. So now I have bound Z to sentry gun. I wish I knew how to make it a level 3 sentry gun. But it does work for here already up. Oh shit. I forgot to write the command in. 1 second, let me look that up too. Okay, I'm back. I got that working. Minimum, if you want to know the command, it is tf MvM underscore minimum players underscore 2 underscore start change to 0. Or not, well, you get the basic idea. So FN for. So yay, flying heavy. Okay, so you see here, the sentries will actually shoot at them, but I don't want them to. Stop it. Oh, they destroyed it. Okay, so come here. Okay, I'm gonna show you how much damage this does. It says like 25,000. Killed him. And also, the best part about this is you can stick them in the walls. They're wall turrets. If anybody knows how to create them, get them to. I don't really need them to be red because I like to be able to destroy them. But does anybody know how to make them level 3? Please tell me. It would be great, great, great. So that's basically about it. It's really cool. I'm one of the only people left with an MvM upgrade script. Um, but what I would, if any, there's also I have a map. I also have another video. If it should be out in any second. As soon as I'm done with this, I'll record it. I have an old one that's outdated right now on YouTube. But basically, what it does is it allows you to create custom MvM waves, and I'll show that how to do that in a second. That's what was the population folder for. So I'll put, yeah. All right. See you guys. Thanks for watching. Well, oh, I forgot I'm still filming.